Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on OPPO Reno11 F. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Personal Controls. Now click Get Started and then select Child or Teen. Then click Next. And click on Other Create Account for your child, then select Google. Now you have to enter your email address and then click Next. And now you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. Now click on More and Accept. And now you have to select your account. Then you have to enter your parent email address. And click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. Now scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Then click Next, and now scroll down and click Next. Now click Next again, and here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip, and then you can install this app manually. Then click on Review Controls, and that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.